2 or 3 months ago, I got the M365 Pro for the first time. After 2 or 3 months now, there's a lot of experience, and I can say in the beginning that this is a really great thing. You have to have it. Daily activities that I have in a few kilometers away, they just speed up incredibly. You cannot enter the car, drove, park it. With an electric scooter, you're already there, and most of the time you're waiting for a green light. So it's really fast on relations up to 5 kilometers, I would say. I went for a bigger tour, 5 kilometers in one way, 8 or 9 kilometers in the other way, and back to the center, 5 or 6 kilometers. It's good, but you have to carry the charger with you, and you have to charge it up when stopping. Also, you should have a helmet and some protection, because the roads here in Croatia aren't truly the best. And the biggest problem here in Zagreb, Croatia is the asphalt. The roads, 80% is terrible. It's a lot of bumps, so you have to be careful, and I think that it destroys your scooter if you're not slowing down on those bumps. Maybe not right now, but in 2 or 3 years definitely. I saw a scooter that has been used for 2 years and it still goes, but it doesn't look nice, and it had repairs. I fell off the scooter while driving because I was carrying a case in my hand on the left side. You cannot carry anything in your hands on the driving wheel. You have a disbalance, or at least I had. You have to have a backpack. And the other thing is that you cannot drive it when you have slippers on your legs. You have to have normal shoes. I fell and I broke my nail and I had a few scratches. I was okay, but not for slippers. Also, it can go up to 25 kilometers per hour, which is fast enough. You can crack it to make it go 35 kilometers an hour, and it's really fast. But with all the bumps and everything, I think it's pretty dangerous. I also got the rear view mirror. And when you drive with a rear view mirror, you just don't have time to look down, check the rear view mirror, so it's not something I would recommend buying. Also, I'm a bit too heavy for the scooter. It's limited up to 100 kilograms. I have 125. It still works, no problem, but maybe the range is a bit narrow. My tire cracked. The inside tire cracked, not the outside, because I was driving on some kind of sand, something like that. I also saw 2 people driving on it, like a kid and a father, and not something I would recommend. What I miss are the turn signals on the left and on the right, because for me it's not easy to show with your hand where you're going. Maybe sometimes, but if the road is bumpy, you cannot do that. And everyone looking to get something like this, I'll tell you, yeah, definitely get it. It's a must-have for up to 5 kilometers, definitely. But you have to get a helmet and some protection for longer relations, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, write them below.